Hi, this is Tim Duffy, City Council, and I want to talk to you a little bit about upcoming plans for Memorial Day. You know, we won't be able to go up on the hill at the National Cemetery the way we usually do, but we are doing some great things this year, and I want everyone to participate in the virtual Memorial Day program we have, that you can email photos of people who you'd like to honor for Memorial Day. Just be sure to include their name, their area of service, and the dates. Email DA Rose at fredericksburgva.gov. And I'd also like to share how important Memorial Day is for me, mainly because it impacts so many of the students I teach and families I work with throughout the city. And I'll be certainly thinking of all the people who sacrifice so much to help us be where we are today on Memorial Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Duffy, for that important information about our upcoming celebration for Memorial Day. Mike Jones, Fire Chief, City of Fredericksburg. Let's talk a little bit about the statistics and a few other informational items related to COVID-19. First, 838 positive cases in the health district. That's up a total of 33 since the last reporting period yesterday. 413 in Stafford, 270 in Spotsylvania, 44 in King George, 39 in Caroline, and we now had an increase of 6 overnight, so we have a total of 72 in the city of Fredericksburg now. Again, positive tests versus total number of people tested, still running about 16% in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Still only 3 outbreaks as classified by the Virginia Department of Health in our health district. And we now have 23 people that are positive for COVID-19 in the hospitals in the health district. Testing has ramped up. We were a little low yesterday. We increased that again yesterday. We're up from the last reporting period about 8,800 tests. We have over 26,000 people that have tested positive, and unfortunately 927 Virginians have perished due to the effects of COVID-19. We'll have the other statistics up on our written report here shortly. Let's talk a little bit about the census. Remember, this is 2020. Every 10 years we have a census where everybody needs to be counted, and you can be counted. It is not too late to go ahead and fill out your paperwork. If you've gotten the paperwork in the mail, you can return that, or one of the easiest ways is to go to www.2020census.gov. You can go right there, click on the buttons, and get your names and everything counted so that you can count towards your locality's numbers. Remember, a lot of the number of people in each locality goes back to determining how much funding can be approved from both the federal and state level for the locality. So you want to make sure that you get counted in the 2020 census. Yesterday we talked about the Phase 1 reopening that Governor Northam had talked about. That is set to occur in the Rappahannock area on May 15th, which is this coming Friday, about 2 days away. Those non-essential businesses will be able to open under some mandatory requirements, and they also have some best practices. If you have not seen it, the governor's website does have the 4 Virginia guidelines. We are crafting a document today. We hope to have it today, but it'll be out by close of business tomorrow, that provides a link or a copy of the governor's guidelines related to those businesses. We had meetings yesterday, most of the day, and we talked with our restaurant community yesterday, and we want to make sure that we land in a proper area that we can give the good guidance along with the governor's guidance. So if you need interpretation of that, we can certainly put that out. The other thing that you may need assistance with based off of when he talks about occupant loads is to determine your occupant load, and that can be done by contacting Building Services section of Community Development and Planning at 540-372-1080. And then we'll put some additional information out and also attach the governor's guidance by close of business tomorrow, so our business community can feel confident that they can do that. And if they have any questions about interpretations, by all means call us either at Building Services, at the City Manager's office, 373-1010, or at the Fire Marshal's office at 372-1059. So if you have any questions, we'll do that. We'll work to try to get that out. We want you to be able to have a soft opening and coming back so that you can provide for your families and take care of your customers. We'll talk again soon. Thank you.